Becca here with the Killer Bee Powherlates class. Today you're going to need your glute band and your sexy flexi. The sexy flexi is the one with the 2 holes. Now I'm going to make this super fun and easy. My job is to bring an amazing experience to you. Your job is to work as hard as you can in each of the 40-second exercises. So we have 4 exercises repeated 4 times and they're 40 seconds each. We're going to do hundreds, grate crushers, a Roman twist, and a bicycle. Now for the hundreds, we're going to take our glute band, put it all the way up over our legs, about 2 to 3 fingers above the knees. We're going to keep that band tight, separating our legs, and the sexy flexi is going to come down behind our back. You're going to extend out your arms and then extend it out. Now in here, if you have a lower back challenge, it's really great to keep your back down on the mat. Take it to another level, you can come on up. Another level, legs are extended out. Now I want you to watch my back where it's curved right now. I'm going to bring my chest up. Now you are in place. You're looking straight out at your toes. Do not let your head come up. You'll put too much pressure on the neck. We're going to get our workout started now. Let me get our 40-second clock. Ready? In 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to go ahead and turn sideways so that you get a good perspective. So we're going to pulse those legs down. In 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4. Now if you want to make it a little bit harder, you guys, you can take it into the jump. All right, so this is between a level 1 and I'd say a level 2 right here. Again, keeping that back down nice and easy. Here it is. 4, 3, 2, lift that chest up, shoulders off mat. So either feet are down, super easy, bring it harder, or all the way up, and bounce it if you want. 3, 2, 1, that is the 40 seconds. Good job. Next one is grate crushers. We're going to just use our glute band. Come down to the edge, slide your booty down to the edge, put your hands behind your head, hands lifted up, drop down, inhale, come back up, exhale. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and go. Up, exhale, inhale, down. Now notice you want to make sure that your back stays down onto the mat the whole time. Don't let that back arch up at all. Keep those legs tight. Push them away in your band. Keep the band nice and expanded out. Press that belly button down into your spine, spine into your mat. Way to go. Woo. Breathe out, inhale. Exhale up. Inhale down, way to go. 4 seconds left, and 3, 2, and 1. All right, next one is the Roman twist. Again, if you have lower back challenges, I want you all the way down. You can even put your head down and just rotate over. Up to the top and the side, and the hardest one is going to be all the way to the top. Here we go. You can keep your legs down, pressing them against the back of the rail, and just twist around. This is a true beginner. Back all the way down if you have lower back challenges. We're keeping that back tight. Keep those bands tight. Back is loose and turning with it. Don't let those legs move. So those legs are staying very still, very strong. Your band is now acting around your legs as a assistance band, keeping you nice and tight. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Are you guys feeling it? Yes. All right, so Powherlates does the entire core. It's not just the abs. The next one is going to be the bicycle. We're going to take off the glute band and we're going to put the sexy flexi around our feet. So you're going to put your feet through the handles. So it looks like this. You want it all the way down. Don't have it by the balls of your feet. Bring it all the way down, nice and firm. Let's get started in 4, 3, 2, and go. Alternating like you do for a regular bicycle, keeping that top foot up, extending the other leg down. That's it. Alternating elbows. Now I want you to also pay attention to the elbow that goes down to the mat. Push it down into the bar. Alternating across, nice and slow. Slow is harder. Use those muscles versus momentum. Keep those legs wide in your band. Don't let them come in loose. You want to keep them nice and tight. Good job. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, coming back up. Put your glute band back on, round 2. Getting ready for our hundreds. Grab your sexy flexi, put it behind, and get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Again, watch that nose. You're leaning forward, not putting that head up. Shoulders are leaned forward. Chest is lifted up. Palms are down. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. If you've ever done Pilates, this is taken right from it. But we use a little deviation using these bands. Feels great, right? Good job. 4, 3, 2. We're almost there. Last one. And there you go. Way to go. All right. Our Roman twist, grip pressures are next. Slide yourself down to the end. And crush it down. Inhale down, notice the back stays flat. Don't let the back arch up, so press down. Here we go. Push through the belly, press it down. Hit those heels down and then pull it back up, nice and slow. Open your butterfly wings. I call these the butterfly wings. So open them up nice and wide. Exhale. Keep those legs tight. Push those bands out. Excellent. 17 seconds left. So here, inhale. We're going to make a couple of changes in round 3 and 4. Last one. And band change. So just get up, take the band off, slide it off, take your sexy flexi, put it around both feet. We have 10 seconds, 8, 7, get ready for your bicycles in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bicycle it out. Again, keeping this foot up higher. Keep the bands tight. If you bring your feet too close together, you can easily pop off the band. So think about it like a regular rubber band, keeping that resistance on it so that it stays in place. 17 seconds left. Using that breath, exhale. Press that belly button down. Yeah, this probably doesn't feel like a beginner class, does it? But there can be a lot higher levels doing the exact same thing. So I'm going to call this a beginner, and I'm going to also say that I want you to take this at your own pace. So if you have to take a break, take a break. All right. Excellent, excellent. Let's go round 3. Hundreds. Pause it while you guys get ready. Get your band on. Right, this time, instead of having the arms straight out with the sexy flexi, instead of having them straight out, I want you to come out to the side a little bit, and you're going to stand right here. In 4, 3, ready? 2, and 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, inhale. That's it. Again, if you want to make it a little bit harder, you're going to come up into it. Whoops. Come up into it. Harder yet, the legs are up. And the hardest is going to be bouncing, but you're going to see that in the intermediate class in level 2 and level 3. Push, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, 10 seconds left. Big breath. Way to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Grave crushers. All right, we're gonna do alternating elbows in for this one. So we're gonna come up, bring the right up, go back down, bring the left up. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, switch elbows. That's it. Inhale down and exhale up. Press those heels like you're crushing grapes. If going all the way down is too hard for you, then don't go down all the way. If it's too much of a stretch, pulling too much on your abs, then listen to your body and work at your own pace. Good job. Last one. Awesome. All right, we got our Roman twist up next. This time we're going to take it, again, put your feet tight against the rail. Lean back, lift that chest up, hold a hand and pull it back. Here we go in 4, 3, 2, swing back with the right, come up, swing back with the left and twist. Up with the right, pull, up with the left. Now if coming up is too hard for you, go ahead and bring that back down and squeeze it through. To hold yourself in place, you want to make sure that you have your legs pulled against the back of the rail. That's it. Good job, you guys. 10 seconds left. Way to go, jump sport. Pull it, pull it. Last one. Yeah. All right, take your band off. Put your sexy flexi around your feet. And we're going to do bicycles. This time we're going to do a double bicycle on each side. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and switch. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, hit it. 1 and 2 and switch and 2. Keep that foot up higher than that knee. Right there again. Good job. Pull it out for 2 and switch for 2. Feeling good. Now I want to also make mention, if this is too hard, take it down to a floor mat, because this does have a little bit of give in it, which makes it even harder for your abs. I absolutely love it. Can I tell you how much I absolutely love it? All right, get your glute band on. A last round. We're there. We'll have some nice stretch at the end. All right, bring it on out for your hundreds in the corners in 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4. Pull it out. Now I want you to really concentrate on that belly button, drawing it down into that spine, using that breath. Breath is everything here. 1, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4. You have 17 seconds left. Pull those legs apart. Use that band. Yes, it's going to include and make your obliques, your inner obliques go on fire. You're like, yes, I know, Becca, I feel it. That's why we call this the Killer Bee class. It's just like silent but deadly. There you go. That was your 40 seconds. Give yourself a little twist. Feeling good, like you should. All right, great crushes are next in 9. Bringing it down, get ready, push those heels down, push your back down in 4, 3, alternating up, right side up, push it down. Now the right elbow pushes down as the left comes up, exhale. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. You are doing so good. You are almost done. This is how fast 17-minute goes. We have 2 more exercises after this. Stretch out and you'll get your card for the day. Inhale down. If this is your first time, I like to do a little motivational, inspirational, accountability at the end of the class. That was your 40 seconds. Good job. Let's get our Roman twist down next. This hair is doing lovely stuff here today. All right, ready? We're gonna do a double twist. Bring your legs across it. Hold on tight against the band. Push out for 2. Go across, round it out. 2. Lift that chest up. Notice how your back is feeling. Never ever let it hurt. Now we are working this whole core, so that is your front and back. It is from your knees to your diaphragm. It is not just about your abs. It's about everything in your core area that holds your posture, helps you with better locomotion. That's it. Do I hear you breathing out there? Push it out. Good job, Jump Sport. We're almost there. Last one. All right. Down to the last exercise. We are doing bicycles, so slip your feet through the handles. We're going to hit 4 on each side this time. Ready? In 4, 3, 2, go. Push it for 4, 3, 2, and switch. 4, 3, 2, and switch. So you're holding the top foot up, pulling down through the bottom foot. 4, and switch, and squeeze. 3, 2, and switch again. 17 seconds left. We're almost done. You're doing so awesome. Woo! 2, 3, and switch, and 4, 3. One more after this. We are done in 4, 3, 2, and you did it. Good job, Jump Sport. Take your bands off. Let's go ahead and bring, for us 12 people, bring your head so it's nice and comfortable. Bring your knees into your chest. Grab underneath your knees. Just take a nice deep breath here. Stretch your quads. By bringing your knees down, you're going to stretch through that quad area. That feels so good. All right, now I want you to hold behind you and drop your knees all the way to the side. That's it. And other side. Nice. Take another deep breath. Drop your legs all the way down. Place your hands on the mat. And I want you to just lift up, pull back, press your hips up, and take a nice stretch here. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Way to go. All right. So our card today says, my future is glorious. My future is glorious. Your future is glorious. What do you need to do to make today the best day ever, to make it the most glorious day ever? It is a mindset. You've got your body in set, and let's get that mind in set. Until next time, create your best day ever.